Hello, guys. The topic which I'll take in this session is robotics. For this, you need to know two terms. Before that, one is robot and another is robotics. So, before robotics, you need to know the word robot. What is robot? Robot is an automatic, self-controlled, multi-purpose, reprogrammable machine which does work that is done by human beings. It is best example of AI. It is substitution of human labor like other machines. It requires minimum intervention of human beings. रोबोटिक्स क्या होता है फिर? रोबोटिक्स इज branch of science where we study about robot. It is multi-sectoral. बहुत सारे सेक्टर्स हैं. Field in which design of robot, selection of substance or materials, manufacturing of motor and electric circuit, computer programming, etc. are included. One you can add computer programming. Who is father of robotics? Father of robotics is Joseph F. Engelberger. Next we come to components. Of robot. End effector. I'll just write the names. Manipulator, which is of two types: prismatic joint, revolute joint. Locomotive device, controller like digital computer, and next is sensor. There are many types of sensors: visual sensor, proximity sensor, thermal sensor. Next we come to types of robots. See, first is on basis of mobility and locomotion, stable robot, mobile robot. Mobile robot, two types: wheeled robot, legged robot. Next, on basis of efficiency, type 1 robots. These are the robots जो मानव से बेहतर कार्य करते हैं. They do work better than human beings. Type 2, not better than human beings, but seeing the danger of that zone, robot can be used. It can, जहाँ पे human beings को use करना थोड़ा सा dangerous हो जाएगा क्योंकि human beings को बचाना है, तो उस जोन का डेंजर को देखते हुए रोबोट को हम सेंड करते हैं, जैसे कि स्पेस और वगैरह वगैरह. तो नॉट बेटर देन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, बट स्टिल इट्स देयर. देन ऑन बेसिस ऑफ शेप, मैकेनिकल robot, humanoid robot, animal robot. Humanoid robot, android robot, gynoid robot. Android robot is the male version and gynoid robot is the female version. Next we come to laws of robotics. First is Asimov laws and second is zeroth laws of robotics. Asimov one will take: robot will not harm humans in any situation and will not be responsible for harm. This is the first thing, law. Then robot will follow all the orders given by human if the order does not contradict with the first law. Then third, robot will try to save its existence as much as possible if this attempt does not contradict with the first and second law. In zero laws of robotics, it starts from zero. Here, the robot will not harm humanity in any circumstance and will not be responsible for loss of humanity if this does not contradict with zeroth law. Then Asimov laws के बाकी जो points है वो continued हो जाएंगे 1, 2, 3. This is zeroth laws of robotics. After this, we move to the last part of robotics, that is applications. Applications of robotics. First is in industrial area. increase in productivity because the robot works faster than humans, better product quality, more accurate than human, low production cost. These are the reasons why they have been used at a higher rate in industrial area. It is capable of working in adverse conditions. Business safety and health safety laws do not apply using robots. No one has to face labor union and labor law. The use of robot is cheaper than human labor in the long term. High level management can be applied on the production process. इंडस्ट्रियल रोबोट्स को क्लासिफाई करेंगे तो होगा पिक एंड प्लेस रोबोट, to carry an object from one place to another place, point to point. Robot continuous, it works at fixed location points such as drilling robot or welding robot. Then continuous path robot, linear motion, fixed linear motion like spray painting, cutting robot, inspecting robot. Then assembly operation robot. The robot of this category is used on assembly line where a large product or system is made by adding many small items. What are the issues related to robot in the industrial area? See, due to excessive use of robot in developing countries like India, unemployment is there, devaluation of hard work and lack of purchasing power may be an issue, and rate of development of the economy may be reduced. So, like unemployment, lack of purchasing power, less rate of development, rate of production. Now, if robots are not used in the competitive time, industry will be deprived the benefits of robots. The rate of production and its quality will decrease and cost value will increase, and industry will lag behind in domestic and international market. It will have a negative impact on the country's economy. Then there are human robots. They coexist. Rules can be applied in industrial sectors. The creative works in the industry should be done by humans, and robots should be used for unskilled works. As a result, unemployed, unskilled workers and craftsmen can be transformed into skilled workers. This is one of the solution by providing professional training, and they can be used in many other industries, which will give the country's economy extra strength. Then use of robots in field of health. Robotic prosthetics, robotic orthotics, robotic surgery, long distance surgery, robotic nurse, micro robotics, nano robotics. What are these things? First, let us talk about these prosthetics. Robotic prosthetics, it is used in place of broken or cut hands and fists, which can work in natural organs. Then robotics orthotics, it is used to provide power to paralyzed organs. Here, bionics also comes. It's the new branch of science which any mechanical system or process is developed based on the biological structure or the inspiration gained from the biological system. Then robotic surgery, it is mainly used for brain operation. The surgeon use the instrument. It has following benefits. The surrounding tissues have less damage, low blood flow. Operation takes less time. The risks of infection are low. Lack of infrastructure. Robotic surgery is pre-planned and requires minimum preparation and time. As a result, it is not used in an emergency. Robotic nurse, it is mainly used for care of patients and getting health related data. Some advanced robotic nurses can also provide food, water, and medicine. Then micro robots are extremely small robots which can put into digestive system where it can work automatically to detect the conditions of digestive disease and ulcer. Japan is leading in micro robotics. Then nanorobotics, it is the robotic system based on nanotechnology, the name suggests. So nanomaterials such as CNT and graphene will be used to manufacture it. Nanorobot can be inserted into the human body through injection, where it can kill cancer cells without any human intervention. So this is something new. It can be inserted into the human body through injection, where it can kill cancer cells without any human intervention. The use of robot in next is domestic sector areas. Here it can be used as toy robot, form of toy in terms of security, safety, like RoboCat, service robot. The industrial robot is made according to domestic works by making necessary changes. More than 1 crore domestic robots are currently working. Can you imagine this? It does such works which is unwanted to humans, like cleaners, grass stopper, robots that carry an object from room to another room. Issues related to robot in domestic sector. What are the issues? Human interaction with robots can develop, and human sentiment may be more for robots than humans. So the maximum use can lower the human value. The complicated psychological changes can occur in the elderly. They can be far away from society and reality. The use of robots in the military sector areas. Robots should not be used as a destroyer in the war, because it is against Asimov robotics rule, as well as against the morality of war. So it can be used as helper for soldiers in the war, which will save the lives of soldiers and will increase their ability to fight. these robotic systems have not been made at technical level. So it can be also used for detecting landmines robot, surveillance and spy robot, the robot which fills ammunition into the cannon tanks, etc. Robots in space exploration. I think the application part has exceeded its limit. I'll just talk in take 2 more minutes and then I'll end the topic. Robots, they are used in field of space exploration research because many space research and exploration are considered dangerous for sending humans. The initial space related information is obtained by robotic instruments. The human mission can be sent to space on the basis of received information. See, Curiosity robotic rover on Mars has been sent by NASA. The robotic vehicle was launched on Comet by EU in Rosetta Philae campaign scheme. Human robot dialogue was first established by Kirobo in space. Last but not the least, last two, disaster management. Disaster management. Robots, they are equipped with advanced sensors which can be sent in dangerous and difficult situation. It can manage disaster as a human assistant. So after the crash of Malaysia's plane 370, the Bluefin 21 robotic submarine was used to find out the black box. Then last is in the field of agriculture. Agriculture robot in the field of agriculture. In the field of agriculture, robots are used to get out potatoes, to select ripe fruits, and for packing food products. Robots are used more in agriculture and food processing industries in Western countries where the work of agricultural robot in India is still at the research level. In this context, Indian youth scientist PSV Krishnan has developed AgriBot, which can help farmers in farms. Its manufacture has been agricultural economy and its associated needs. That's all.